There are different types of relationships that people can have with attorneys. Sometimes it's a very transactional retail type relationship where people just want to pay the least money for a piece of paper with the judge's signature on it, be it a divorce decree, custody decree, something like that. There's other people that turn around very much convenience minded. They expect to hire an attorney and that attorney is going to jump when they say to jump. Others, very hyper focused on value, making sure that they get good value for what they're paying for. We work with a lot of clients in that regard, delivering good value. They're satisfied with what they're paying us. The chief element that we think about when it comes to the relationships we have with our clients is a trustful teamwork. In many ways, we see this as a little bit of like a potato sack race. The client puts a leg in, the law firm puts a leg in, and we got to run in unison. But we got to work well to do that. To jump metaphors a little bit, we want to be a part of your team because we realize that we're going to be guiding you through some treacherous terrain. Call it like a mountain, like as kind of a Sherpa. We know the best way up the mountain, back down the other side. We know where the pitfalls are, the loose rocks, where the avalanches occur. We want to help you avoid all those ways in which you could not fare well getting over this divorce mountain or custody mountain that you have. And so we really want to work well. Yeah, we're going to be a lot of members of your team. We're going to be the attorney, the paralegal, the client coach. But these are the things that are essential for making sure that you navigate that well and that we deliver you on the other side of the mountain with flat plains ahead as opposed to more mountains, right? But this is ultimately what allows many of our clients to be really satisfied with us, to post really positive Google reviews, to come back to us when they have future needs, jobs change or parenting time needs changes. And this is also what has many former clients referring their friends and family to us, their coworkers, their neighbors, to go check out Atticus Family Law. These are the sort of relationships we want with our clients.